Oh, what the hell? What's going on? No, don't come closer. Oh. Okay.
Dude, honestly, I'm impressed it went over. Okay.
Yeah, I guess there's no point for a barrier or anything. Whatever, man. This is nice. Tree. Oh.
Okay,
wow, all of that just came off. That guy just doesn't care, by the way.
No,
he's like, whatever, man.
That's sus guy.
Dude, walk on the fucking sidewalk. Like, you have one.
He
like,
is
why
like,
are you,
just,
why,
yeah, what the fuck?
He chose to be a nuisance. I should have pointed that out. No, don't. Ooh.
He's just gonna drive away, yep. It's not like you live right across the street from him or anything, dude. Dumbass.
Dude, we've seen this road before. I swear.
Probably. Dude, FedEx is about to hit that guy, right? Did it not? Or was it not optical pollution? Where are they? Okay, yeah, they're on a different lane, never mind.
Taco Mayo.
China City, dude, go to China.
Wyoming.
He just shit himself? What the fuck?
Yeah, no, I think tires
come
pop.
off.
Yeah, tires pop.
Holy fuck, it formed like a tornado. Jesus.
Dude, don't take the left. Okay. Oh my fucking god, dude! Really? The guy who couldn't see anything was like, yeah, I'm gonna fucking turn left. Are you serious? Dude, this would have pissed me off so much.
Sometimes that's the way you go, bro.
Dude, he's like literally like up this truck's ass, right? He probably can't even see the fucking light, and he just decides to turn left. That's crazy.
You got no choice sometimes, though, for real.
I didn't even react. I had nothing to say.
It was so pathetic. It's such an open area, too. This is the UK. No, this is some, like, bumfuck town in America. Like
yeah,
Montana
that is
or
not
something.
the UK, bro.
No, this is Europe. Look at the plates.
Quad bike.
Dude, this is music.
Oh, that is a quad bike. RV. Oh.
Oh,
at least they hit the quad bike.
In.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I didn't think it'd be part of the plot. I thought it was just in the background.
Oh my god!
Oh, it's still rolling. It's still rolling. Okay, we're good now.
And then the guy that caused it just walks away and he just scoots away. Wait, that's a sick truck. That's just, this is Australia because they have weird shit like that everywhere. Dude, don't be an asshole. Come on. You have the coolest car there. Dude, come on, man.
Me and I gotta freak the fuck out suddenly.
Yeah, you guys all took this turn too hard.
Oh!
They just caused a 10-car pileup is over.
TikTok.
Dude, where is he going? Just get, dude.
He's gonna miss his exit, bro.
That's insane. And now they're drifting off into the other lane again. Are you fucking, dude?
He's just, dude. He's asleep at the wheel.
This dude is hammered. Okay, that is the only explanation.
He's having a lot of fun, bro.
Like stole his
maybe
dad's
it's
car.
like an 8-year-old kid. It could be, dude. That was insane. That was the most unnecessary accident I think I've ever saw happen.
Okay, that wasn't really bad.
If you're turning left, get in the left fucking lane, bozo.
Yeah, what is he doing?
Are you stupid? BMW. Oh my god. BMW driver learned how to use
Roman Reigns, what are you doing, man? Get in the car, bro. You got WWE to go to.
This guy is the sole representation of the problem. You know what I'm saying? Like, just the problem with everything.
I actually don't know what you mean by that.
Like, why would he just get out the car? Why would he escalate it so aggressively? Like, why?
It's like
because
you
then
have
you gotta
to
waste his time
recognize.
more.
You have to recognize
oh.
it's like you're not even. You have a left turn signal and you're not even in the fucking left lane. Like what
Actually,
the fuck are you
there's
doing?
like nothing blocking.
There's a
You could have
whole
easily
lane.
just done that. What the fuck?
Just waste
Did he,
all
like,
that
hit it
time
too
for
early or
nothing.
something? Dude, we're just having
we
fun
need
here.
audio because dude, they're going 90. They're going 90 on roads. You should not be going 90 on.
Oh, yeah, it's go.
That's
It's over.
insane.
As soon as I saw that curve, it was over, bro.
Low key, bro. I don't even know anything.
Okay. Where's the audio, bro?
I don't know. They took it away.
Dude, what the fuck?
Dude,
Who is that? Is that Kamala?
That is Kamala Harris, bro. Fucking Republicans will look at you and be like, the left's the violent party. The fucking, this is their truck.
Up to the train station.
The Antifa left is ultra violent, and this is their fucking truck. This is what they pull up in. Like,
I'm not even kidding. These people should.
I mean, like, yeah. Like
you want to act like that, dude? Just go
first
away,
of all, like, you are the sheep that you claim everyone else is if this is your fucking truck.
True.
And then second of all, it's like, I don't know, you're just kind of a waste of air.
True. Also. Yep. We having fun? Okay. Oh, we too slow. We too slow up in here.
That was both your faults.
Okay. Okay, man.
Dude.
Grow up.
And he almost crashed in the other car.
Just turns to the
McDonald's.
right. Just randomly to the side.
Dude,
Okay.
Nissan Altima, it's always them, man.
Oh, you
Hey,
can
man,
tell this is old because McDonald's has drinks for $1.25.
Holy shit, you're right.
All right.
No, dude.
All
was
right,
this
extra
South Park
Emily, what are you
character, bro?
doing, man?
Oh, what the hell?
No, what's going on? No, don't come any closer. What final destination
Dude, why is
shit's
there a
about to
camera
happen?
in the back? Oh my
For that
god.
reasoning, I guess. Yeah, all right, man. Just come on in. Okay.
I'm gonna be real, dude. I think that the airbag shouldn't have gone off there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a bit.
This just
Like-
totaled the car.
Over dramatic much, you know.
Were a little daggy, but nice to sit in. He could sense his family
Dude.
inside the house. Their emotions.
People need to stop almost
on,
spinning
man.
out when somebody turns into their fucking lane. That.
What are you listening to, bro?
Roadkill song playing right when that truck runs him over is crazy. I just want to put that out there. That's insane. He ran it over and he just leaves. Destroys your bumper, leaves. Dude.
Oh,
Run!
Dude, the fucking camera guy's like peeling out. He's like, fuck.
I leave too, dude. Those are not supposed to catch on fire. That's really
Nah,
bad.
genuinely, man.
Oh.
They just walk away. They just drive away.
Ooh.
This is Texas. Yeah, it's Texas, baby.
This is Indiana.
No, they don't have roads like this there. They can't afford it.
Just have gravel pathways.
Basically, dude. Indiana's not great.
I don't know about that, bro.
I bet, dude. We didn't need the slow-mo, man.
Is this? If
That's
it's in
him.
slow mo,
That's his
why
voice.
does he sound normal?
Dude, I can't believe they put these two clips back to back. What is this, dude? That was so fucked up.
Rewind. I
Really?
want to see that again, bro. Oh, la-di-da-di-da.
Oh my god!
What the fuck, bro?
That was crazy. Yep.
You deserve to get flipped for that. That was a stupid fucking maneuver.
Shit happens, bro.
Also, the two cars that stopped and waited should not have done that. They should have kept going.
fucking kidding me?
Dude, I love that they kept going even when they were right in front of them. Like, they
just the
still
way it
hit
goes.
the side of their car.
50 дектors. Cool. Тоді ти дивишся які ближча адреса. Знаєш, типа.
Yep, I turned down. Good luck.
Dude, that must have been extra Emily.
Wait, it. Oh, I thought I heard a cop. Never mind.
No, you do. That's definitely a police siren.
Most unusual circumstances that you can't do them because even though they're constitutional.
Dude, he has to turn left.
Oh, oh, and your dash cam, dude. We didn't see it. Sorry, bud.
The whole mission of the U.S. Attorney is to really.
What's gonna happen here?
I don't know.
Wait.
Was it just that car cutting them off? Yeah.
Oh, they
Whoa,
got
never mind. Okay,
rear-ended.
we didn't even get to see it. That's what you get for
Rip.
being kind and stopping, dude. That's what you
Yeah,
get.
you should have ran over the pedestrian.
Oh
Gee!
my god. Is this not like a residential neighborhood?
This
Why are you
is.
going
They were
so
going way
fast?
too fast, yeah.
Fucking idiot.
They were going way too fast.
Got places to be, bruh.
Dude! Okay, we didn't tip. We're good. We're
They
good.
just didn't stop, yeah. Well, this is obviously
Puppy.
Montana.
Yeah, of course. Oh. Aw. We didn't get to see
And then
it.
they all passed and you get stuck. So I guess the bike like cut him off, so he braked and I hit the cones, and then they rear. Oh, that was fine. That was like a pretty minor thing.
Yeah, that didn't seem too
They
bad.
just-
Okay. What
Oh,
happened
so
here?
It was real. That thumbnail was real.
Yeah, the truck
This
got stuck.
dude.
How does this even happen? Oh. Oh.
I really don't know. I guess it was like up or something.
Yeah, that sign's gone now. Like, they're not
Yeah.
gonna replace that for years. If ever.
Dude, no, it's so real.
Oh. Here we go. Another one.
I have to mute this.
With the copyrighted music, everything.
This shit's gonna be royalty free before we die.
At least they got it down, you know. Someone could have gotten really hurt. What? Oh, dude.
Pick a
you-
lane!
Problem solved.
Pick a lane!
Oh my god! At first I was like, why are we honking, bro?
Ryan Reynolds trying to
I'm gonna
go.
hit that light. Wait, that's actually sick though. That was a sick maneuver they just pulled, bro.
that just
Wait, I'm
seemed
gonna
okay.
remember this. Hold
Yeah, that
up.
just seemed like fine, to be honest.
This is sick.
Geniuses in cars,
This is
bro.
tech, dude. Yeah, this is tech. this is movement tech. Dude, you gotta get a
Why you mad, bro?
meaner horn, man.
Yeah. A what?
And then they almost crash again. Dude, what is this music?
Bro threaded the needle.
And he did it, dude. He did it. Oh, he sent in fade again.
He saved
Just
so much time
fucking
by
with the
doing that.
van?
Mm-hmm. Now
Is
they
this
all have
a
to wait behind this
one-lane
light.
road?
Oh.
Oh, they're one of those drivers that are like, well, if I'm one car ahead, I'm ahead. Like,
I'm winning. I'm getting home sooner.
See, this is the part where I would be slowing down a little bit.
yeah, like if someone, like, always assume the guy coming on the on-ramp is gonna cut into you. Like, just
Yeah,
assume
like-
they're gonna go over to the left lane as quickly as possible.
Assuming nobody's behind you, at least, I
Yeah.
guess. But, like, Jesus Christ, man.
All right, click the down, like a share for you. Bye-bye.
We love you. We love you all.